today's actually a special day because it's my niece's twin daughter's first birthday. And that's one of the main reasons why we came to Hong Kong on this trip. Later on today, we plan to have a birthday barbecue on the beach. So hopefully the rain doesn't cause too many problems with that. But right now, we're off to get dim sum for breakfast.
Do you want to eat funny?
I like your outfit.
Yeah, I love that.
Thank you.
It's a good dress.
It's very chic.
Oh yeah. There you go.
It's quite holiday-y, all these tiles and stuff in the pool. And
It's quite flattering.
Good morning.
good morning.
Good morning. All up, we ordered about 25 plates of food just then, and I am so full, but we got to try so many different things. That was really good.
But if you'll stay in Sydney, so I've got one in tomorrow. You sure? Go put them in. I can't need that. These guys bought one. Okay. Oh, I'm already had one. Okay. Ingrid bought one. Okay. Cool. So, did you guys buy one? Yeah, everyone bought one as well. So everybody bought one except Mum already had one. Cool. And I have a spare. Okay. Great. Thanks.
A little while ago, we opened the girls' presents, and that was fun, and they got some really good stuff. But now we're just going to go for a little bit of a walk around and explore to work off some of the food we ate earlier. Yeah. Come on. Good luck. Taking photos of this big old tree. Looks pretty amazing. Out of the tree, roots are growing down, and then they're in the ground over here. I've never seen anything like that. I'm not 100% sure if it doesn't start in the ground grow up and become part of the tree, or whether it starts at the tree and comes down and then takes root in the ground. I really don't know.
That's it. Yeah, that's a good one.
So this is called a Ficus microcarpa, Chinese banyan tree. Yeah, look at this. Like look at this. This is not something that you see every day. Looking at this building, this structure here, which is so old and makeshift, with a brand new car parked out front. That's really weird. I love how the shop has a tree growing out of it. Or growing through it. I could just keep walking around there for ages, but we've got to start heading back now. That's been there. How long has this been here? And hey! Watch out, boys coming from all directions. So these are kumquats.
It's actually turned out really nice.
Right, now we're walking off to catch a bus to go to Cheung Sha Beach. Correct? Mm-hmm. Okay. Where we're going to have a birthday barbecue for the girls. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, look at you. Oh, look at you. You're gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at you.
Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. Yeah. Very gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
They certainly like their dogs here.
The dogs can go on the ferry.
Can they? Yeah. Dogs can go on the ferry.
Yeah, they've taken the dogs.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, we almost missed getting off at the stop we were supposed to. I was just sitting there not paying attention. All of a sudden I had to jump off and get off the bus. But not 100% sure if we're actually in the right spot, so we'll see. love this scaffolding. I actually brought my drone with me on this trip, so wherever we go, whenever possible, I want to try and take it for a flight and get as much drone footage as I possibly can.
They're curious.
They sure are.
But very funny.
Mm. Well, there you go. I didn't know that these guys were going to come over and actually ask for a scratch. Okay. How friendly are these cows? That was cool. Well, the pig's just about done, so we're going to have dinner shortly, and the sun is setting over there, so I'm going to say good night and see you guys tomorrow.